Hey guys, it's Daniel, and today I'll be reviewing an Apple certified refurbished iPhone 8. A lot of people don't know this, but Apple sells products that they themselves refurbish. You can find them on Apple's website at the very bottom under Apple Store. They sell tons of refurbished Apple stuff on here, and I got this refurbished space gray 64GB iPhone 8 for $500, $100 below the regular price. As you can see on their website, all the refurbished iPhones have the same year-long warranty, manuals and accessories, a new battery and outer shell, and a new white box. My order included free one-day shipping, so it arrived the day after I ordered it. As you can see, it came in this generic cardboard box. Within that box was the refurbished iPhone box, which is a little different than a normal iPhone box. In the box came the quick start guide, iPhone, charging cube, earbuds, and lightning charger cord. Since the outer shell is new, the phone looks just like any other new iPhone. I received the iPhone in March of 2019, so I waited 4 months until now to do a real review of the phone. Obviously, I kept it in a case and put on a screen protector to maintain it in good condition. After 4 months, I can confirm that it functions and runs just as fast and well as any new iPhone. It served me great, and the 64GB have been more than enough. The camera takes great pictures, and the image stabilization has also proven really useful when recording videos. So to answer the main question, is it worth it? Honestly, it's saving $100 without there being any major differences, so I would say definitely yes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below.